Hello, I'm Phil McCaffrey, and this is part 2 of my Venn problem solution set. We're going to go through problems number 5 through 8 on my download. The first problem, the fifth problem says, in Smallville, farmers either grow apples or oranges or both. 172 farmers grow apples, 90 farmers grow oranges, and if a total of 182 grow only one type of fruit, how many grow both? So let's take a look at our problem here. If we have apples in the blue circle and oranges in the red circle, and what we have is 172 total farmers growing apples and 90 farmers growing oranges. The question asks how many is both if we know that 182 only grow one type. In a Venn diagram, one type is designated inside the circle but excluding both. I usually put a sub-zero meaning subscript 0 meaning only, subscript O. Apples only is 172 minus both. Oranges only is 90 minus both. We want to know how many is in the both. If we add up 172 minus both apples only and 90 minus both oranges only, we would get 182. So our equation is 172 minus both plus 90 minus both equals 182. Let's combine like terms. 172 and 90 is 262. I have two negative b's, so it's minus 2b is equal to 182. Why don't I subtract 182 from both sides? 262 minus 182 gives me 80. And I'll also subtract 2b from both sides. Add 2b to both sides. Nice algebra, Phil. 2b equals 80. Divide by the coefficient 2, and I get b is equal to 40. There are 40 farmers that grow both apples and oranges in Smallville. Question number 6 states, the math club has 46 members and the physics club has 48 members. If there are a total of 68 students, how many belong to both? Math, physics, and the total number of students, 68. This is the fastest question you could do when they give you a Venn diagram. Math total is 46. Physics total, 48. So 46 plus 48 minus those that appear in both, we're going to equal the total number of students, 68. Remember to annotate your Venn diagram with what the SAT, ACT, or GRE is looking for. 46 plus 48 is going to be equal to 94. 94 minus b equals 68. Solving for b equals 26. There are 26 students in both clubs. Question number 7 states, if there are 79 trays in the cafeteria and each tray contains only a cup or only a plate or a cup and a plate, if 39 of the trays contain cups and 57 of the trays contain plates, how many contain both a cup and a plate? There are 79 total trays. We want to know how many contain both. Cups, plates. Total number of cups, trays with cups is 39. Total number with plates is 57. 39 plus 57 minus both equals 79. Learn this question. It is an exceptionally common question and a very, very easy one. If we add together 39 and 57, we get 96 minus b equals 79. A lot of students have to use calculators for this one. 17 off of 96 is equal to 79. The answer is 17. Both is equal to 17. And lastly, a little bit of fun. Throw some probability on top of the Venn diagram. This makes it a little bit harder. In the junior class, students belong to the Spanish club, the French club, or both. The Spanish club has 33 members, the French club has 39 members, and 20 students belong to both. If a junior is picked at random, what's the probability that the student is a member of only the Spanish club? How about Spanish over here is equal to 33 members. And the French club over here is equal to 39 members. There are 20 students in both. The Spanish club has only 13 members, there are 13 members in the Spanish club that do not belong in the French club. If I take the French total and subtract off both, I also get that there are 19 members. What's the probability? Our total number of students is going to be 52. 13 plus 20 plus 19. And Spanish only is 13. 13 over 52 is equal to 1 over 4, or 25%. On the SAT, you cannot put in percent as without the percent symbol. It has to be a fraction or a decimal, so the answer would be gridded in as 1 over 4, or 0.25. Probability is expressed as a fraction or a decimal on the grid in. I'm Phil McCaffrey. Happy learning.